you guys? It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome and thanks so much for joining. Today, I have such a cool video for you guys. I know it's like we're halfway through October, pretty much the end of October, and I have not done a costume video. Like, what is this? Anyways, so here's my first costume video. I'm gonna try and get at least 2 more out this week. Hopefully we'll see how it goes. Working nights is crazy, but we're pushing through. Anyways, today's video is gonna be super cool because I got this wig from Michael's, and as soon as I saw it, I started like, my brain was just like getting so many ideas, and I'm bringing you 3 of those ideas in this video, and I'll have like another one with the same wig, but that's a whole nother video. Anyways, for this video, I'm gonna show you guys 3 really easy costumes that you can use using 1 wig and just like clothes that you have in your closet. So it's very inexpensive and you don't have to like spend a lot of time, and it's probably things that you've already had or you can just like go buy really quickly from like a thrift store or something. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and we can just get into it. So here we go. 1 wig, 3 costumes right now. Okay, so before we go any further, I'm gonna show you what the wig looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's just a black wig with bangs. I got this from Michael's for about $6 before tax. It was like $8 after tax. And so it's super simple. You can see, I already took it out the package, but I don't know how you professionally put wigs on. I'm just gonna like put my hair up and then put it on my head. So if there's a better way, there definitely is a better way, but for the purposes of this video, this is gonna work. Alrighty, so first up is Tina Belcher from Bob's Burgers. I'm gonna go ahead and put a picture right up here so you guys can see. If you don't know who she is, you should. If you and if you do, then drop me a comment down below. Is she one of your favorite characters from Bob's Burgers? She's one of mine. Anyways, so we've got the wig, we've got glasses, and then she has like a little barrette or something, but I didn't have that, so I just have this little clip. And now I'll go ahead and show you guys the costume that I picked out. I just had these things in my closet, or I stopped at the thrift store and got it, so it's just like a really affordable costume. And yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so for Tina's costume, we just have a blue shirt, a black skirt, and some knee-high socks. Her character actually has a blue skirt, but I just had this like black circle skirt and I just decided to use it. Also, you can add some sneakers. I'm in my house, so I may not put them on, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Alrighty, so here we go. I've got the blue top, the black skirt, and then I do have the socks. You can add sneakers if you want to, like if you're wearing this outside. You can even throw on a backpack if you wanted to, but I think that this is very Tina. What do you guys think of the clip slip backwards? There you go. What do you guys think? I really love this look. I think it's very her. I'm gonna go grab a backpack really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've added the backpack. What do you guys think? I love this. Also, the wig looks like better with accessories, I feel like, because it's kind of on the cheaper side. I don't know, it was just looking a bit odd when I first put it on, but I kind of like it right now. I also sort of look like Dora the Explorer, but I don't know. Anyways, here's my version of Tina Belcher. Hope you guys like it, and let's go to the next one. Okay, next up we have Mia Wallace from Pulp Fiction. I think this is totally her hair. I think like this is a little bit shorter, but I think it'll work out. Anyways, her costume is super simple. I'm just gonna throw on a white button-down shirt and some black pants. Those I already had, and we're gonna put some red lipstick on and hopefully, you know, channel it through. What do you guys think? I think I nailed it. So I'm gonna back up so you guys can see like the bottom half, but it's just like black pants and socks, and And then I have a piece of incense instead of a cigarette because, you know, it smells better. What do you guys think? And then I just put lipstick on my nose to make it like bloody. So yeah, I kept a black shirt on under this white shirt. You can wear whatever you want under, but I think I nailed it. Alrighty, next up is Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls. This one was super easy. It's just like a white shirt with a green dress over top and some socks, and also requires another makeup change, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the final look for Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls. Honestly, when I was growing up, and I did watch Powerpuff Girls, she was my favorite. Like, she was just so cool and like sassy. So I like it. I guess technically this should be parted a little bit, but this wig is so hot on my head. Like, does that look better? I don't know. Maybe not. Let's see. Okay, maybe. Anyway, so I've got the green dress and the black belt, and then I've got knee-high socks on. It's just hard to film like the whole look, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm having so much fun just like changing outfits in my apartment. Glad you guys are, hope you guys are having fun watching this. Alrighty, cool. Thanks to you guys so much for watching. That's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to share it with your friends and family. If you want to see more, subscribe so that you know when I post more videos. Drop me a comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. I would love to hear your feedback. I took the wig off because it was burning my head, but I kept a bloody nose because it looks cool. What do you guys think? Check out my other videos. My last video is how I showed you guys how I split dye my hair. It's a good one. And you can check out some of my other costume videos. If you have any questions or comments, you can either drop them down below or you can hit me up on social media at SparklyAlex. I hope you guys have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.